News.
Elsewhere, police in Juja, Kiambu County have seized more than 8,000 liters of industrial ethanol at high premises in Muthuga village. This after members of the public volunteered information about suspicious activities that were happening inside the premises, especially at night. Our reporter Vera Mora with the latest on the fight against illicit liquor in the region.
Inside this abandoned macadamia factory building are 35 drums, each carrying a capacity of 250 liters of industrial ethanol. A huge water tank stood somewhere in the building, and now the police are investigating and establishing whether criminals have been distilling alcohol. Also within the premises was a lorry that is suspected to have been used to ferry alcoholic products in and out of the premises.
Tumepata details za kutosha ambayo tutatuelekeza kwa wale watu ambao hakika wanahusika na hili jengo. Unakumbuka kwamba ukiangalia ni jengo ambalo limejengwa kwa urefu kiasi, ni manake ni kwa kuficha zile vitendo ambazo zilikuwa zinafanyika hapa.
According to Kiambu County Commander Michael Mushiri, the recovered ethanol totaled to 8,750 liters, which would have generated alcoholic products worth 70 million Kenyan shillings.
When we have these irregularities taking place, the kind of products that are produced would be from the back streets, and the standards are not observed. Basically criminal, and when it flows now to the community, that would have such devastating consequences in terms of health. We've recently had deaths.
Kirinyaga County government was forced to close and vet afresh all the alcohol selling shops, including bars, after the death of more than 20 people who consumed illicit liquor. Early this week, Kikuyu cultural elders moved to court to present their petition before Kiambu High Court Judge Peter Mulwa over brewing the traditional drink Moratina, which for decades was banned.
Sasa hii uamuzi ya koti tutaiheshimu, lakini tunaomba ya kwamba watu wasitumie ile nafasi kutengeneza Moratina ambayo ni commercial.
The Kirinyaga County declared that the popular Kikuyu brew is not an illicit drink.